I'll call upon the evangelism team to come and share their testimony. Can we render a clap offering unto the Lord?
Praise the Lord, church. Hallelujah. We thank God for the testimony of Brother Praisel. It was actually a year around this time that we met Brother Praisel on the streets, and it was he had been in Canada for less than a week, and we were like, come to Mount Zion, you'll be blessed. And he has been such a blessing and a wonderful encouragement to this ministry. 10 years ago, by the grace of God, my brother and I, we started a ministry called Follow Me to Christ Ministries. And we met Brother Toyin years later, about a year or two. And we met other evangelists. We were going all across Toronto preaching the gospel. It's been a very, very wonderful experience. And I remember when I first started telling people about Jesus, the first person I spoke to said to me, get out of my face. In fact, in the next 5 years, you're never going to do this again. And I turned to the guy and I say, in the name of Jesus, I'm going to still continue this work. 5 years came and it passed, and I'm still on the streets with my brother and the wonderful brothers and sisters here. So we give glory to God. We've seen many amazing things on the streets. People giving their lives to Christ. Last year, Satanists giving their life to Christ. Witches, drunkards. Oh my goodness! Like, the testimonies are endless. People who are on the brink of committing suicide, and we'd be there at the right time to tell them about Jesus. See, this is what God has called us all to do. And in fact, it was through evangelism that I met our dear mother in the Lord, Maman. And I couldn't believe, that Maman was on the streets, a pastor's wife. I'm like, really? So it's been a blessing. And my entire family, through evangelism, has ended up in Mount Zion. So I give glory to God.
Praise the Lord. I think my brother he said it all. And 10 years is a very long time to be evangelizing on the streets. It's really the divine grace, and it's the covering, and it's also the ongoing prayers of Mount Zion as well that allows us to continue to be out there to share the gospel. If there's any of you among us that has that burning desire, because there's some people in the church, I want to go outside, I want to tell people my testimony. If there's anyone among you that wants to learn how to share your faith, how to talk to people about Jesus, come and see us at the end of service.